Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm very excited because I can share something with you and it's very exciting. I'm not sure why I'm singing, I'm just very excited. So, glossy skincare. So, yeah, Glossybox have launched a, well, they haven't launched yet, this is the pre-launch. I've got a little bit of a sneaky peek. So yeah, Glossybox have made a skincare range and I'll tell you all about it in a second. But this beautiful box arrived and I just want to open it because I'm very excited. So I'll tell you a little bit quickly. I'm going to read it off an email that was sent to me because there's lots of information and I want to make sure I've got it all right for you guys. So, Glossybox for over a year now have been developing this skincare range, and there's no nasties, no nonsense. It's vegan, cruelty free, high quality, natural ingredients. The packaging, most of the packaging is made of like 100% recyclable sugarcane, which I thought was awesome. They have dry skin stuff, sensitive skin and oily skin. I have got the sensitive skin stuff because my skin can be a little bit temperamental, so I will be, this is just going to be an opening, having a look and see what you think, just sort of initial thoughts, and then I'm going to use it for a couple of weeks and then we'll come back and kind of do a thoughts video on, because I can't open this now, put it on my hand and go, oh my god, this is amazing, because I need to actually put it on my face and see how I feel about it. See what we think. So yeah, there's it's going to launch on the 12th of August at 9 AM for subscribers, and then general sale at noon. And for subscribers, everything will cost between £12 and £18, because you get 20% off as a Glossy subscriber on the skincare. What have we got? So I'm going to open it because I just want to see what's in it. This is how it comes. It's come like this. I'm just going to... Right. This is too big for me to do elegantly. Ooh, our skincare story. So it looks like this. I've got a little cruelty-free, vegan, environmentally friendly packaging. Glossybox skincare. So there's a little discover the magic behind the products. There's a little box there, and then everything else is in a little... I'm so excited! You know I'm excited. So it says, our skincare journey. As a trusted beauty box subscription, over the last 12 months we've been collecting feedback from customers who've told us what products they really want to use on their skin. Skincare that's easy to use, affordable, multifunctional, and importantly made with quality ingredients. An extension of the subscription box. That's how Glossybox skincare was made, for you, by you. So I have got an Eyeboost Cream. I've also got one of these in my August subscription box. So I will find out if I'm allowed to. I'll do that giveaway with that, but I might not be allowed to, so we'll see. That's my neighbour's dog barking because Glossybox night serum, 3-in-1 moisturiser, gentle foaming cleanser, hydrating mist, I love a mist, and exfoliating clay scrub. And then that says lift me up. How do I lift you up? Oh, some things are falling out. And then on the bottom it just, I didn't need to do that. It says, try it, love it, share it. We believe skincare should be simple, and that's why we've created a collection of essential products you need in your routine. No nonsense products. If it's a cleanser, we're calling it a cleanser. Natural ingredients, multifunctional. Discover your personalised edit of 6 skincare favourites. So these are the ones that have been sort of sent for me to test. So I'm not gonna open the eye cream. Did I bring my eye cream in here? Right, I've just been and got my eye cream, so then I don't have to actually open this one. So that's the eye cream packaging. I love it. It's all just the pale glossy pink and black, which I really like. I will undo this little box and see, what is this? Oh, these are like cheat cards. So let me grab them. So the first one is the eye cream. As I said, I'm not going to open that one because I've got one already, so I don't need two on the go. So the eye cream is quite thick. No smell at all on that. And what does this say? See, this says this is for dark circles and puffy under eye, suitable for all skin types. It's got elderflower extract, eyebright plant extract, and red seaweed. It says for an even more refreshing one, put it in the fridge. You should do that with all your skincare. Get a jade roller and keep that in the fridge because they're amazing. I've got two in my fridge, one for me and one because the kids steal it. So it's that one. Next is the night serum. And then this says, use every evening, massage a pea-sized amount of serum onto your cleansed, toned and slightly damp skin. Night serum nourishes and brightens your complexion while you sleep. It's got glycolic acid, Persian silk tree extracts and blueberry oil. Ooh. So that's like a little tubey one. My camera is just pooping its pants. There we go. That's the night serum. I'll put a little bit on this one. Oh. See if this smells of anything. Nope. Maybe just a little bit. Very, very slight. It kind of, oh, that's soft. Like sun cream? No, after sun. That's what that smells of, after sun. So that's nice. Get back in there. Right, I'm gonna, today is the, what are you date today? 7th of August. So I'm going to use these and then I will do like a proper review video in a week or two. Next is a 3-in-1 moisturiser. This says, our lightweight 3-in-1 moisturiser nourishes your skin and prepares it for flawless makeup application every day. After cleansing and toning, massage into face and neck and allow to sink into 45 seconds before we put makeup on, so you can use it as a makeup base. This has got hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, if you don't know, retains moisture like a motherfucker, and it's like a wonder ingredient for skincare. I love it. Subaki, I don't know what that is. Does it say on here? I'm probably not pronouncing that right. Subaki, I don't know. Oh, Subaki oil, I still don't know what it is, but it's an oil. And then red seaweed helps make a protective barrier that locks in moisture. So this says, yeah, do it after cleansing. Is this morning and night or just morning? I don't know. I will only use this at night though, because I don't use oily things on my face during the day because I don't know, I just don't like it, especially in the summer because I'm always sweaty, so I don't like putting oils on my face in the daytime. Has that got an SPF in it? I don't think it has. No, there's no SPF in that. Next up is a cleanser, a gentle foaming cleanser. This says, morning and night, lather 2 pumps of foam between your hands. Gently massage into dry or damp skin using circular motions for 30 seconds. Rinse thoroughly. And this is fragrance free. It removes dirt and impurities. Cactus stem extract, resurrection leaf extract. Oh, that sounds fancy. Kangaroo paw flower. Wow, never heard of any of these things, but they all sound awesome. I don't think this will take your makeup off. It doesn't say makeup, it says impurities and dirt. So, to be honest, foaming cleansers don't normally take your makeup off. I kind of use ones that, again, have got oil in at night time to take my makeup off. Or I use, I've actually got one down here on my washing pile, the face cloths where you don't put anything on them to take makeup off. So I tend to do that and then I wash my face afterwards So this is the cleanser. I think this is the only packaging and the mist that aren't the sugarcane, but they're made of recyclable plastic. So that's that, and that's got a little pump on there. I'm not going to just waste that and spray it onto my hand, but I will try it tonight. Next up is the mist, which you believe I'm going to spray all over my face. I'm trying to get it out before I've even shown you. Spray 3 bursts onto cleansed skin to tone your complexion, onto moisturised skin to prime, or as a hydration boost throughout the day. And this has got hyaluronic acid, babusu oil, leaves your complexion feeling soft and nourished, and inchi oil, helps to support your skin's natural barrier. Yeah, I don't normally put stuff with oils on my face, but it's a spray and I love a spray. Oh, try and focus without my glasses. Let's see what they're... Oh my god, we'll just add some. That smells really good, but that is the finest mist I've ever used. That was a lot on there, but I love a mist. State of me, bedtime soon. That is lovely. I don't know what the smell is in that. I don't know which one of those things smells, but it's nice. I love a mist. And then the last thing is an exfoliating clay scrub. At least once a week, use gentle circular motions to apply an almond-sized amount onto damp skin, focusing on your nose and T-zone. Probably help put my glasses back on to read, wouldn't it? That's better. For sensitive skin, 30 to 40 seconds, normal to oily, 60 seconds, or you can leave it on as a mask, rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. This is Cornish clay, rice exfoliator, and glycolic and lactic acids. Ooh! Is it going to be pink? That is the question. It is pink. So let's see, because I know some exfoliators have got like really harsh exfoliators in it. Oh, that's really fine. Really fine, like teeny tiny exfoliator beads. Like, you can see it on my skin there. So I think that's what it'd probably be like if you left it on as a mask, but it is very fine. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like grain of sand, tiny little teeny tiny particles. There is nothing on there that feels like it's gonna scratch your face, because some exfoliators literally feel like you're putting sandpaper on your face, but that feels really nice and soft. So we will see. And I definitely need, especially in this heat, I need to remove all the crap off my face as often as I can. So that was the box. I am very excited to try them. I will, as soon as I finish this, I'm gonna end this video, take my makeup off, and then I will start filming using it, like my first impressions on it, and then I will do like a kind of a vlog over the next week or so. I think that kind of thing. I think that's how I'm going to do it. So yeah, everything will be between £12 and £18, and there are other things as well. Let me see if I can see what the other things are. So there is a daily micellar gel cleanser, a purifying charcoal cleanser, a deep cleansing cream, and that's it. So yeah, there's all those things, and they are that is the, if my camera's going to be able to focus on, there you go. See, that is the whole range, and I've got 6 here to try, so I'm very excited to try them. Yeah, let me know if you're going to be trying to buy any of these. If there's anything here that you think that looks awesome, let me know. I'd be really interested to hear your thoughts on it. But I will go and take my makeup off, and I will start using it myself and form some opinions and see what I think. But yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I'm currently having a big Makeup Revolution giveaway. That's either just before this video or it'll be coming the night after. I'm not sure, but I'll leave a link. As soon as it's up, I'll leave a link here for you guys. So if there's no link here, it's not up yet, but you can enter it when there's a link. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Thanks.